Hello, so this is my another one tutorial on how to make money online within 3 days from anywhere in the world. So let me get start with so I'm going to explain how to earn money on Fiverr. So if you don't know about Fiverr, what Fiverr actually is, so this is basically a marketplace, and this is opposite of like Upwork or freelancer. Here you post gigs. Gigs means the ad of your work, what you can provide to your buyers, and buyer going to order that. Okay, so this is quite simple. So for this method, you have to go to video and animation section, and you have to click on this button, whiteboard and animated explainer. So I have already on this page, so let me filter by here you can see 2D animation, whiteboard animation, and this. So I'm going to select whiteboard animation, and then I'm going to select another filter, that is here. So there is different level of Fiverr seller, that new seller, level 1, level 2, and top rated seller. So I'm going to filter with level 2 seller. So let me go to the top of the page, and here you have to select best selling. Okay, so here you can see that this person has a gig or a ad of his work for $10, and he has got around 1k review. Average review is 4.9 out of 5. And here is another gig, so let me open 2 or 3 of them. So let me check the first gig that he's providing. So this is the title of his gig, and this is the video, what kind of video he can provide, and this is the reviews he has got from the buyers, that is 334. And this is the order, okay, 11 order inquiry. So that means 11 order is being processing, or 11 order has been placed to this, to this gig, and has not delivered yet. So let me go to the down of this page, and his minimum price is $5. So and maximum delivery time is 3 days. So let me calculate his earning, monthly earning with this gig only. So let me open the calculator, and I'm going to type 11 into 5 is equal to, so 55 dollars. So he's earning $55 in 3 days. So how much he earning in a month? So I'm going to so this is $550 in 1 month with this 1 gig. So and this person has let me just explain on this person only. So fanboy basically, and he's from Bangladesh. See, this is my country. Okay, so he has not only this 1 gig, he has other gigs. He has 3 gigs. He's working on almost the same gig. This is on whiteboard animation, this is on whiteboard animation, and this is on 2D animation, I think. So he is just earning $550 per month using this 1 gig on Fiverr. So you can also do this. So uh, which quality this person have that you don't have, that's why he's earning. So let me see his profile. So he's from Bangladesh, and he's members in 2016 on Fiverr. And let me tell you that this date does not matter too much. Which is matter that this reviews and your quality of your work. So if you can create this kind of animation, then you will be able to make money like this person is making. And $500 per month is really a good amount and in Bangladesh. So let me see some of here is some of his videos he has provided, delivered to his buyers. Let me check this one. How simple is this? So this videos might be for 1 minute. See, this is 1 minute and 19 seconds. So this is quite easy to to make this kind of video. Is making this kind of video is quite easy. So let me open his. So see, so this is just a simple text text writing video, and I think he's just sold this video for $5, for $5 only. So you can see that all this video is just writing text. So let me show you how simple is it to create this kind of video and create this kind of gig that you can make money online. So I'm going to the software he's using. This is called Video Scribe, and this is not free. This is actually a paid software. You have to pay $10 per month for the software, but you can also use the crack version, which actually I'm using. So which text you want to write here, you have to just provide that text here. So the text is hi, my name is Tanvir. So I want to show this text, and you can also change the font and color from here. So I'm going to leave it basic font and color the same, no problem. This is for the testing purpose. So I want to show this text, this text should be written. So I'm going to, so here is different section: animate time, post time, transaction time. I'll talk I will create a separate video for this on this video scribe only. So you can also change the hand, or the you can draw it or move in from somewhere. So let me just try this one. So camera position is this, so let me play it. So see, this is writing. Okay, so as simple as this. If you don't want to zoom it at the end, so just uncheck this and stop. So this is, and this is how easy is it. Then I want to go to this, I want this text to go up, and then want to add a picture. Okay, so let me add a picture. So this one, and I want to this I want this to move in from the under of the canvas, and with very fast, and then stop for some time. Okay, so let me just play it now, and camera position is this. So let me play the video. Is hi, my name is Tanvir, and the smile is coming up. So this is coming up with a hand, so I don't want to use a hand, so I'm going to remove the hand with an empty space. Okay, and so this is on, and so this is the, see, now it should be coming. So as it is, so this is as easy it is to make $500 per month from online. If you have any question, you can comment in comment box, and I will leave my Skype and Facebook and my YouTube channel in the description, that you can check this out and contact with me anytime. See you another video. Bye.